So now we're going to talk about the evaluation. How does the type of evaluation where the DGB move from one type to another? For example, or to count it all, for the first one is from streaming direct to the streaming intermediate, and then from download direct to the download intermediate, and then download intermediate to streaming intermediate, from download direct to streaming direct, and finally from download direct to streaming intermediate.
So if you see that usually this is a profit model basically. If you see over it, we have to look at where is more profit. If I am the owner of a product, for example, I made some like a product, a digital product, and I want to sell it. Okay. So, for example, I have some restaurants and I have some hotels, or I have some like digital products, some game. Let's suppose I made a game over there. If I'm selling it, might be I have like some 100 customers or 200 customers or 300 customers. I need some intermediate person so that I could grab some more customers for my games over there, right? So what I will see, if it is streaming, I will move for this one, streaming intermediate. Why? Because I want to earn more profit, right? So I will not the intermediate will not go to the main owner of that one. This is not the trend. This is not like so usually, as I told you, the water flows from low profit to the high profit, right? So that's why the evolution, the strategy is like going like this one. Now look at this one. Download direct to the streaming direct. Now both are like direct, both are the for the owner. I am, for example, the owner of a game. I made a game, let's suppose, and I want to sell it to the customer. If I sell it like a download, if anyone pay me like $2 for the game, okay, and I have like 1,000 customer, so how much money I will get it? If I have 1,000 customer and I take $2, 2,000, it's a simple calculation. Yeah, 2,000, okay, and that's it. So I will get how much? $2,000, right? But then I want to move it to the streaming direct. I want to make it like my game, like a PUBG kind of thing, or so that they have, whenever they want to play it, they have to pay me maybe $0.5, okay, for 3 hours. Let's suppose if they want to play the game, just pay me $0.5 and they can play the game. So what will happen usually when kids or anyone who love the games over there, so every day they will pay me $0.5. So this is better for me. For 1,000 customer, if they pay me daily $0.5, I am more happy with this one. Why? Because it's a continuous money. It's what? It's a continuous generation of the money. It is just like the stream of water. So it's coming, okay? But here it stops. Why? Because they download it and they will play as much as in the morning, evening, anytime. They will not pay me more. But here, if they want to pay it, maybe after like licenses, they have to renew the license maybe after a month. So I will give them license for the month or 2 months. After 2 months, they have to renew. The game will stop. They will not be able to pay over there to play the game over there. So usually the trend is not to make the direct download, but to become more streaming direct. Why? Because now the internet speed is okay, the bandwidth is high, so the streaming is not a problem. Before it was a problem, but now streaming is better for who? For the owner, for the direct, for the owner. Not good for the customer. Customer is happy with the download. But the streaming is better for the owner now. There is some benefit for the customer as well in the streaming, that they can have like network games over there. They can play with the friends over there. It's more exciting. It's more like vibrant over there. Now see the another paradigm over there. Down from the download direct to the download intermediate. Now the flow is from the download direct to the download intermediary. Why the flow is here? For example, you are the owner of a product. Okay, for example, you have some intangible product and you want to sell it. So you are the owner and it's downloadable. You still want to make it downloadable. It's fine for you. For example, if someone, I don't want to make it streaming, but for me, I want to make it intermediate. Why? To increase my customer over there. For example, the Movenpick hotel, they can sell their rooms to the customer, but they say that I want to sell it through some like to booking.com for others one, right? So this is becomes like a, but here it is like a downloadable. Here we were talking about the streaming, right? Streaming direct, this is the same, but the difference is in the downloadable over there. Now the another one is this movement from download intermediate to download streaming. Now the 3 and 4 are same, but the source is different. Here the source was the direct, but still source here is what is intermediary. The even the third party they want to make it from download to streaming. Why? Because streaming is more profitable than the download one, right? So the last one we have it, the fifth one is the traveling is from download direct to the streaming intermediate. This is the best option usually, right? So you take the benefit of the intermediary brokers over there, and also the benefits of the streaming. So this is the best condition for you.